This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream quickly. First, ensure your heavy cream is very cold, ideally straight from the refrigerator. For the fastest results, chill your mixing bowl and whisk in the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes beforehand. This cold environment helps the cream whip up much faster and achieve a stable consistency. Then, add your desired amount of powdered sugar and a splash of vanilla extract to the cold cream. The quickest way to achieve perfect whipped cream is by using an electric hand mixer. Start by mixing your cold cream, sugar, and vanilla on a low speed for about 30 seconds to prevent any splattering. Once combined, gradually increase the speed to medium-high. Continue mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cream begins to thicken and hold its shape, forming soft peaks. You'll know your whipped cream is ready when it forms soft, distinct peaks that hold their shape when you lift the whisk. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your creamy mixture into a grainy, butter-like consistency. If you prefer, you can taste and adjust the sweetness or add other flavorings, like almond extract or a touch of cinnamon, for a unique twist. For the best experience, serve your freshly whipped cream immediately. Its light and airy texture is most delightful right after preparation. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. While it's best fresh, properly stored whipped cream will remain delicious for about 2 to 3 days, ready to top your favorite desserts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.